I'm Samantha Hopkins, and I'm a paleoecologist at the University of Oregon. I'm often asked about the size of extinct organisms, and I can generally say with a fair amount of confidence how large they were. Now you might be wondering, how can I even tell if a fossil animal is an adult to be able to say something about their adult size? One of the things we need to know to talk about the size of extinct animals is how to tell the difference between juveniles and adults. I'm going to show you an example using fossil camels from about 9 million years ago. These bones are from the camel's feet, equivalent to this part of your hand or foot. These camels were really big, about the size of living giraffes. We find them in a site in eastern Oregon near the town of Vail. Because my specialty is fossil mammals, this is actually a pretty straightforward process. Most mammals have determinate growth. This means they grow to a particular adult size and then slow down substantially or stop growing entirely. While they're growing, they accommodate the increase in the length of bones with growth plates, an idea that's familiar to many of us from our own childhood. So you can see we have foot bones from both a baby camel here as well as adults of two different sizes. And you can recognize the baby in this group not just because of its size, but because of the shapes of the ends of the bones. In babies, the articular surface, the part that allows it to move against nearby bones, is joined to the shaft of the bone only by cartilage. When the organism dies, that cartilage decays, and the end of the bone, the growth plate, falls off, leaving behind this funny-shaped end to the shaft, where the cartilage joined the bone shaft to the articular surface in life. You can also see the porous texture at the end of the bone here. The attachment of all that cartilage left these pores in the bone surface. In adults, the articular surface fuses onto the bone shaft, as you can see in these two individuals. You can see that they're basically done growing the size of the foot bones here because they're all fused up into one piece. There's no room for it to grow more. You can see that at adult size, this one and the other adult are not the same size. That's how you recognize juvenile animals in the fossil record and how you distinguish them from adults of relatively small size.